Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I have a Dollar Tree haul. Didn't plan on actually showing you this haul because it's nothing that you haven't really seen before, except I found two cool books I thought I'd share. And there's one little girl somewhere in Green Bay, Wisconsin that's probably not happy because I came home with her baby dolls, and I checked my receipt. I did not pay for these, so they must have been in a bag, and they forgot to grab it, and I grabbed it on the count, checked out. We got two little baby dolls. They're twins. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. What is Tina going to make with us? You will never know until she does it. Because I will use them. Who knows, I may make one of those dolls with one of these. That'd be kind of cool. So, I did pick up two more Barbie dolls. The reason I went to Dollar Tree is I was looking for the Hot Wheels cars for Steph, and they didn't have any. Sarah went in the back, and somebody put out the case this weekend and wasn't supposed to until I got back in the store and got 3 out of it. She was not happy, but it's out of her control when you're not in the store. So I got 2 dolls for me because I want to make a Sally doll. Bought 2 more of these, and I got some more of these containers. Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter turned me onto these. These are really sturdy. They are. So I got, usually I was trying to stick with white, but they only had 1 white. So I got 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 black, 1 white. And I need these for something that's coming in the mail. Alright. The reason I actually did this video is I was looking through the book section and I came across this one. It says Survival Tricks and Tips. And you open it. I thought it was cool. I thought Coda might like it. You get a compass and a whistle. And then when you open it, you put your name, your age, your height, and it's just different techniques and things. How to tie a knot, using a compass, map reading, survival food, animals. I thought it was kind of cool. And then in the back, on the way back, getting lost, is you can write about your expedition diary. But way back here, I thought it was kind of cool. You can do a map of, and you can put. So I thought that was kind of cool. I thought he might like that. And I'll show Diamond if Diamond thinks, nah, I'll probably donate it for Toys R Tots or send it to some little boy I know who might like it. But this was a book. They had good books today. If you were a knitter, they had books about duct tape, art with duct tape. I already have one of those roaming in this craft room that I didn't pick him up. They had 2 different ones. Cake baking, polymer clay, and then I came across this one, and this one was sealed in plastic, and I like the title of it. That's the only reason about it. And I thought, I wonder what it looks like inside. As you see, there's a little green thing on there. That's from me because that picture cannot be seen on my video. I had to do this all over when I was a flip through. Nudity. It's a nudity picture. But it's the Rose Art Museum of Brandeis. And when I got to the truck to put my Dollar Tree stuff in, I kept this out and I had Scott unseal it so I could look at it. And this book's awesome. Scott's like, what are you going to do with that? I said, well, I may keep it the way it is, or I may tear it up. I wish they would have had more than one, because I would have bought 2. I would have went back in and grabbed another one just to have one to tear up, because this book's phenomenal. This book originally cost $60. Yeah, $60. Crazy. Let's see. Modern and contemporary American art was created at the Rose Art Museum, whose roots go back more than 50 years, starting with fine selection of European paintings from Cesar, Piasco, Mangela, Kandinsky. The Rose Art Museum, but it tells the story that not only that's put together of the people, donors, creators, and directors who shaped it, and so forth. I don't even know where this museum is, so I'm going to look that up. But this is I was just blown away. First page. I was like, oh my god, that's so cool. So, I'm just going to kind of do a fast thing just to show you. I mean, talk about mixed media, hey? I was like, damn! What? Look at that. Cool. Too cool for school. Just see the face. Isn't that awesome? See, when I go to Milwaukee, I go to the art museum. It's always changing. So, Scott's like, after Scott looked at it, he's like, I can see why you buy this. Because Scott would be like, are we going to the regular museum? Nope, I want to go to the art museum. I haven't been there for like 5 years. I said to Scott, I do this. Why ain't mine hanging in a museum? Because you don't got the right name. I'm like, yeah, thank you for giving me it. Look at that. That's something I could do. Yeah. So I was like, How many of us have created stuff like that? So, make sure to get to that page. I had to do my whole video again. Oops. Well, it's her butt. So cool. Look at that. So it kind of goes through different aspects. So I thought I'd just share this book with you. I have one more book to share with you, but that's going to be on a different video. Photography. Oh, wow. That's weird. Some of that's weird. Okay. Okay. Eyeballs. Ew. Okay. So I thought I'd just share this cool book. So okay. So if you're interested, look at your Dollar Tree. Like I said, there's some in these that I wouldn't mind to be tearing out to use in my own art. So I just thought I wanted to share that with you. I have another video we'll be doing here shortly. But as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.